Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here and I'm here with another video on Zealy Airdrop. So on Zealy, one of the most important airdrop criteria is completing the Zealy and the Zealy Quest. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to complete the Zealy Quest. I've already shown how to complete the Zealy Quest, but before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video and join our WhatsApp group for more updates. Thanks. Alright, so to actually complete this task, you need to create a Zealy account with the email that you use to create your Xenea Wallet. But of course, I'll be dropping all the links in the description, including the WhatsApp group link, of course. So you'll be using that. But if you have already created an account, just log in and then you can see I've already integrated and I've gotten some points. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do your own and I'll be completing the task with you. Watch the video from the beginning to the end. Don't mix any step at all, as everything is important. So here I am in the Zealy website, as you can see. So I'm going to log in into my account and then I'll come back to show you what to do. So as you can see, this is the Zealy homepage. Once you log in, this is what we'll be showing. So what you have to do here is to scroll down to community. So once you scroll down to communities, you see vanilla finance and you see some promoted community. Of course, if you don't see Xenea, you can actually search for Xenea. You can search for you can search for Xenea by clicking on this place, search for communities. So once you click there, you would now tap on this place right here, and once you tap on it, you search for Xenea. So once it appears, you tap on Xenea and then give it some time to load up. As you can see, this is Xenea and there's a couple of tasks here to complete. So what you have to do is firstly click on this place, intro. So once you click on intro, you wait for a minute. Okay, so this firstly you have to download. So you just click on claim if you have already downloaded Xenea Wallet, of course. So the next quest, they will ask you your age bracket, of course. So once they ask for that, you will now enter. So that's it. The next one is which country you are from. So I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to enter Nigeria. Just enter the name of your country. Do you hold any cryptocurrency, yes or no? So I'm holding any cryptocurrency. What smartphone do you usually use? So I'm actually using an Android phone. That's what I usually use. That's the best phone for mining, of course. No shade to iPhone users, but that's just the truth. So after which, I'm going to claim again and go to the next text. So I'm going to the next task, or should I say quest right now. So firstly, I'm going to follow Xenea on their Twitter handle, or should I say their X account. So this will take me to Twitter. Like I always say, whichever browser you're using, make sure you have already logged in your Twitter account to that browser. So I'm already following Xenea, as you can see. I'm already following them. So I'm going to go back. So now they said I should tweet. So I will now tweet something about it. I'll click on it and wait for it to load up. Once it loads up, my tweet should be already imputed directly into the message box. As you can see, this is my tweet right here. So I would post it, and my post has been sent. And once I do that, I will go back to complete the task. So I'll just do that again. I don't think it was working. So I'm already following. So let me try. I'm just trying it again because the mission isn't actually working. So that's the reason why I'm doing it all over again. So just do it as much as possible until it starts working. So I'm going to continue trying until it works for me. So since the first method I was using didn't work quite well, so as you can see, I've already completed 2 out of the 7 tasks. Let's just firstly, you have to put your web page on desktop mode. So let's just go to these 3 slashes here, that place, and then scroll down to profile. So my profile is down there. So I'll click on account settings. So once I click on account settings, of course I can edit my account and do whatever I want to do. So I can do whatever I want to do here, but that's not what I want to really do. You can add your image, but that's not what I want. So just go to this place right there, that 3 slashes again. Once you click on it, you see linked accounts. So click on the linked accounts, and as you can see, my Discord has been connected, my Twitter has been connected, my TikTok will soon be connected. So I will have to connect my wallet address so that I can complete some of these other quests. So let me just start with that. So let me start with connecting my Discord instead. So I've clicked on it, and my Discord is currently opening. So I'll authorize. It's redirecting me back to Discord, of course. So as you can see right here, my Discord account, my Discord username is currently showing correctly, and I've also connected my Twitter account. So now the next thing is to connect my TikTok account. So I'll click on that. They said I should log into my TikTok. I actually don't remember, but just do that. Of course, it's quite easy. Just do it. Alright, so guys, now I've gotten to the last task. As you can see, I've connected everything. So now I'm going to connect my Ethereum wallet. I'm going to go to my MetaMask and copy that. So here is my MetaMask wallet, of course. So I'm going to go there and copy my Ethereum wallet address, ERC20. Alright, so here is my newly created Ethereum wallet on MetaMask. So I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to tap on receive, of course, to copy the wallet address, or I can just basically copy it from here. Okay, so I'm going to click on this place to get the wallet address. So you can see this is my Ethereum wallet address. I'll copy it. Of course, if you want to send me any token, you can actually send to this address, of course, as a gift. So you go back to your Zealy and then you click on connect wallet. So okay, so now actually I can just basically copy connect Ethereum from MetaMask directly from here. So tap on MetaMask, or you can use Bitget wallet, of course, but I'm going to use my MetaMask since I'm using it specifically for Ethereum transactions. So as you can see, they said blah 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 blah. So click on connect. So permission updated. I have actually connected my Ethereum wallet. So it has taken me back to Zealy. Of course, let me just check. Let me refresh to see if it has been successfully connected. So it will take a while to load, of course. So as you can see, they said I should verify my sign-in message. So I'm going to tap on sign-in message. So let me just go back to this place to check if there's any sign-in message. There hasn't been any sign-in message, so I'll go back and click on this place. So they're telling me wrong network. Let me refresh and do that all over again. So guys, after several trials, I've decided to go with Bitget wallet, of course. So I'm going to be using Bitget wallet, and I've already authorized. So let me just go back to Zealy to check if it has connected. It has not been connected yet. So I'll go back again and try. So okay guys, after several trials, I've been able to complete this linking of account. So now let me go to the Zealy Quest. So to do that, you go back to the home page and then you go to my communities. If you're already following Zealy, so it will just appear on your home page. So as you can see, it's here. So you can just basically go there. So now it's time to complete the rest of the remaining tasks. So I'm going to continue from this code and I will do the rest as well. So since I've already connected my Discord, what I'm going to do now is just to claim. So I've claimed and I'm now going to the next task. So here, as you can see, I've completed the quest. So that's just it. I have successfully completed everything that is required, the requirement for this quest. So that's just it. So I'll go to next quest now. So that's just it for this. As you can see, you can also complete, you can follow on YouTube, and basically immediately you do that, you upload. So that's just it. Just follow this step and complete the other tasks. It's a little bit tasky, of course. That's the reason why it's called a quest. You don't have to finish it in one day, so just do that, and then you can drop a comment in the comment section if you have issues, or you can just join our WhatsApp community and message the admin, which is me, of course, to ask me any question, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If I'm free, I will respond immediately. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.